everyone. This is Cinder and Nacho's babies. They're playing. I put them in the playpen so they'd stay put and not run under the bed so we couldn't see them. They are growing and playing and having a good time today. They are now 5 weeks old. I'm going to play hide and seek. Where'd she go? There she is. See why I need to put them somewhere? We'd be under the bed and everywhere. Because this is what we do most of the day, and then we sleep and crash. Mama's like, let me in there. They're about the same size. It's the glory of having only 2 in the litter. Okay, well this is what we do. Pretty much. You can just watch them all day long, but this is what they do. We'll catch you all next week. Bye.